Another topic of conversation with many people would be the many objections raised during the impeachment trial. We can look at this through several lenses. There's the legal point of view, the strategic point of view, and the public's point of view. Could you explain to us why the objections are necessary, or why either team even Attorney Michael Poa said it's natural for lawyers to do this. They're just doing their jobs.
Well, he's correct, no? And also you have to understand, litigation lawyers are trained that way. Meron lang silang makitang basis for objection. It is their ethical duty to raise it. Kaya nga dyan sana ma-avoid yan kung may stipulation of facts na mas maayos. At naglahad na ng kanya-kanyang mga depensa at akusasyon. Ang mahirap kasi yung answer ng Vice President is hindi niya tinutumbok yung mga akusasyon. He's not denying or accepting anything. He's medyo tangential ang kanyang sagot. So siguro nahirapan din sila mag-stipulate dahil sa ganon. At tama naman si Atty. Poa, trabaho lang nila yon. But then again, hindi ito criminal case eh. It's not even a civil case. So it is correct that you go by the rules, but not too much technicality. Yung bang nangyari ba yan o hindi? Ginawa ba o hindi? O kung ginawa, o ano yung explanation mo? So, you can go direct to those things. Hindi na yung mga detalye. But they also understand na kung may konting kulang, pupunain mo yan para hopefully you can convince the observer na wala, kalokohan lang ito. May mga konti-konti o baka maniwala sila. O kaya kung minsan yung iba, parang basketball na eh. Ang binibilang kung ilang objection, kung ilang overrule, ilang sustain, hindi o sana ganun ha. Hindi ito pagalingan ng mga abogado. Hindi ito paramihan ng objection, sustain, overruled, at kung ano-ano pang diskurso. Balikan natin yung ano ba talaga nangyari, ano bang totoo. Yung mga alam na nating lahat, yung tanggap na nating lahat, magkabilang panig, masyadong pag-aawayan. And then, anong mas important, anong rason mo dito, anong explanation mo dito, and then, katanggap-tanggap ba yan o hindi? Ganun lang ho sana yan.